Hi, I'm Natalie. I'm a professional chef, and even I struggle with baking ruts. When you're on a low-protein diet, you know that being creative while baking is a huge part of keeping the diet interesting and exciting. That's why I love the Nutricia Leprofen baking mix. It is so versatile, and you can use it for breads, bagels, pitas, cookies, cakes, or muffins, which is what I want to show you today. When you find yourself making the same thing over and over, give these cinnamon sugar apple muffins a try. Serve them for breakfast or toss them in a lunchbox for a midday treat. They're low in protein and delicious. Okay, so we're gonna start with our 2 cups of the Leprofen baking mix. We're gonna dump it right in the bowl. And it looks like a lot of ingredients here, but everything is getting put in the same bowl together. So it's actually quite simple. We have our sugar and then our light brown sugar. And we're gonna add cinnamon and nutmeg, some nice warm fall spices go in there. Baking powder and baking soda, 1 teaspoon each. Pinch of salt. So you just want a pinch of salt. We're not trying to make it salty, but when you bake, you want it to enhance the flavor. So you just want a pinch. These are our dry ingredients. We'll give them a quick stir before we add our wet ingredients here. Get all of this incorporated. Water. You can just dump it right in the bowl. Unsweetened applesauce. 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And lastly, our apple. We have 1 apple that has been diced. You can peel it or not, it's up to you, it's your choice. We're using Honeycrisp in this recipe, but you can use whatever apple you like. I personally like the Honeycrisp or a sweeter apple, maybe like a Pink Lady or a Gala apple. Because we're baking it in with the muffins, you don't have to worry about it keeping its shape or its texture like you would if you were cooking like an apple pie or something along those lines. So once our ingredients are fully incorporated, we're going to transfer the batter into a lined muffin tin. I like to use a measuring cup. It makes it a little easier just to transfer the batter. Don't worry if you get any on the tray. We can wipe that down before we put it in the oven. These get filled up almost to the top, but this makes an even dozen. I made these for my daughters and they ate them within 2 days. They were gone. They loved them. Okay, so our muffin tin is filled. The last thing we're going to do is top it with a little brown sugar and cinnamon mixture. So I'm gonna add the cinnamon to the brown sugar. We're gonna give it a little stir and get it nice and incorporated. And then we're going to top our muffins with this brown sugar and cinnamon mixture. At this point, I like to use my hands. It's a little easier and less messy. Your hands are a great tool in the kitchen, so don't be afraid to use them when necessary. Okay, so all of our muffins have the brown sugar and cinnamon mixture. Now we're going to bake them at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the center is cooked through and a knife comes out clean. All right, our muffins have been in for 25 minutes and they are ready. So we're gonna take them out here. They look beautiful, they smell incredible. I'm really excited. I'm gonna plate them. They're still pretty hot. Have these for an afternoon snack today, for sure. All right, we have our last ones plated here, and they smell so good that I can't wait any longer. I have to try one. Whew, they're still a little hot, but oh, so good. Delicious. For more low-protein recipes and tips, check out nutritiametabolics.com.